Isang tanong wala po, handa na ba kayo malaman yung produkto natin panawasan na cancer? Isiguro na malakas na guys. Anong pangalan po ng produkto natin? C24/7 Nutraceuticals. People at the cellular level, these are the functions and the contents of the product. So think, with all of these people, magandang produktong C24/7 ng Global. Palapakan natin na malakas guys. Now, people, we have 22,000 phytonutrients. Sobrang dami po. At yung vitamins natin from A, B, C, D, E, K, B1 to B12, A to C, part pa lang po ng produkto natin. What else? We have 12 fruits. Naku, ang gaganda po nito, painggan niyo po mabuti. Plum, cranberry, blueberry, strawberry, blackberry, berry. Hindi mo berry. Maliwanag mo po. Pero, kidding aside, proven na po ang berry. They are very good for your cardiovascular system. Why? It can lower down our blood cholesterol. Maliwanag po. Counterpart, 12 vegetables. Naku, ang daming pampalakas, pampalinaw ng mata, vitamin A, and of course, paborito ko pa rin to. Maganda ito, walang tatalo. Garlic. Tatagalog ang tawag dyan, bawang. Ba't maganda? Panlaban po sa tiktik. Maliwanag ko tayo, diba? Sino yata? Ba't yun? Nakita ka side po. Nung kami po yung fifth-year medical intern, yan po ang aming research garlic. And we were able to prove ang garlic po, anti-hypertensive, anti-fungal, antibacteria, antioxidant, anti-cancer. Maliwanag po. And again, we have 12 people. How much will be the requirements per day? 5. Ilan po ang laman ng produkto natin, guys? 12. So talaga po, lagpas na ba tayo sa requirements? Dagdag mo na to, 18 amino acids. Yung function, isigot po natin ang malakas. Building blocks of proteins. People are gonna say it loud. Building blocks of proteins. Focus po tayo, Doc. In-explain mo kanina. Free radicals will try to bring the functions of our organs down? Yes. So, Doc, again, if you will take our product, their functions will again improve? Definitely. Including the level of antibodies? Yes. So, people, if that is the case, magababa ang produktong C24/7 ng ngayong global? Palakpakan natin ang malakas, guys. What else? 14 super green foods spirulina blend. Marami pong sikat sa market. Barley, wheatgrass, tanglad. Okay po? Ano pa ho? Chlorella pampatangkad, cilantro po, para po sa ubo, and of course, spirulina. Pero people, sabi nga po sa inyo, ang kulay po naman lahat green. And the one that gives the green coloring pigment to the plants are the so-called chlorophyll. Google niyo po namin ang chlorophyll and you will be surprised bakit po ang taas po ng level ng antioxidants sa chlorophyll. Lagyan niyo 14. Plus the fact, ito pa, isa pa sa paborito ko, 12 mushrooms. Bakit po? Naku people, painggan nyo. Pangalan pa lang, sulit na ang function. Ito po, babagay ko na. Cordyceps reishi, shiitake, hiritake, meritake, yung shiitake mo. Pag ano mo ito, hindi ka natakihin. Maliwanag ko ito. 12 atake ho yan. Maliwanag ko tayo, no? Which containing high levels of antioxidants and anti-cancer properties. Saan po po, mas kompleto po ba ang laman ng produkto C24/7? Palapakan po natin na malakas po ulit, ha? If whenever you're suffering from indigestion or constipation, ito po kailangan natin 12 digestive enzymes, 12 herbs, and of course 10 essential fatty acid. Again, the names, linolenic, linoleic, uliic. Okay po, no? Nak maganda po yung omega fatty acid. Yes. Common sa flaxseed. Opo. Ba't maganda? First and foremost, they're very good for our cardiovascular system. Why? It has a blood cleaning effect. So yung mga clotting po sa ating circulation, napiprevent po yan. 7 po, they're very good for our intestines. Anti-inflammatory. Hormone regulation. It can strengthen our immune response. And number 6, may lignans, people. May lignans, may anti-cancer properties po ito. So people, with all of these people, please, magababang produktong C24/7 na ngayong global? Palapakan natin ang malakas po yan. Now, this one I need to explain to each and everyone po. Lahat ng ito po, maganda po talaga. Pero yan po yung laman ng former flagship product ng AIM Global na ang tawag natin, Complete Phyto Energizer. Again, 4 years ago, September 2008, yan po yung in-explain po sa amin ng speaker na ang pangalan po, Alvin Madrigal. With that product alone, guys, kami mag-asawa po, nag-member ka agad. Mga tita, mga sir, in all honesty po, for the first time, I fell in love with the herbal product po. Bilang doktor po, ngayon pa lang ako na-in-love sa isang herbal product. Right there and then, nag-member po ako, naging consultant, naging speaker, naging author ng libro. Maliwanag po. Pero ang kagandahan po nito, yung mga may-ari po talaga natin, iba ho talaga yung concern sa atin. lagi pong nag-iisip, paano pa pagagandahin ng produkto? Ito ang ginawa nila, in-innovate. Dinagdagan pa yun ng 9 additional components. People first, cysteine hydrochloride. Ano pa ang function? They will stimulate our liver to produce more glutathione. Ladies and gentlemen, every time we talk about glutathione, what usually enters your mind? Tanta po talaga. Grabe, babata po po ito gaganda po. Yes, diba? What else? Constant flavonoids are the antioxidants, anti-RAG, anti-inflammatory, good for the heart, and anti-cancer po. Pangatlo, pang-apat, mga polyphenols na po. Ang function, pampahaba ng buhay. Panglima po, itong pinakasikat. Isigaw natin ha. Guys, anong tawag dito? Coenzyme Q10. The functions. Your cells will be energized. It will promote good circulation of our blood. It will strengthen again our immune response. Tissue oxygenation, of course, with an anti-aging effect. So people with the 5 additional components, lalo mo bang gumanda ang produktong C24/7 ng global? Pala natin ang produkto natin people. Now, sasagurin na ho natin, pinaganda pa na mga may-ari po eh. Isa pang produkto natin pangalan po, Longevity Polyphenols, which we termed as Restore Life. From the word Restore Your Life, sa Tagalog po, buhay ng buhay, was added to our product C24/7. Sabi na, Dok, teka lang po. Ibig sabihin niyang ginawa po ng AIM Global yung Restore Life yung complete sa kanilang anti-aging. Pinagsama-sama po at maging C24/7? Yes. Tanong ko po, kompleto mo ba ang laman ng produktong C24/7? Palakpakan na natin ang todo yan, guys. Now, ang tanong po sa akin ng iba, pag ako po umikot po sa buong Pilipinas, Dok, teka lang, what if kami naman po ang talungin? How can we explain yung longevity formula niya? People were only going to mention 2 words for this. Isigaw po natin ha. Ang tawag po dito is DNA repair. Again, people, say it loud. DNA repair. Guys, again, isipin niyo po. We have so many antioxidants. Anong function? They prevent the free radicals from harming your DNA. But guys, whether you like it or not, still, there will be some free radicals that can go inside and damage your DNA. But this time, people remember, we now have that so-called longevity polyphenols, whose function now is to repair damaged DNA. So think with all of these functions, people, magandang bang produktong C24/7 ng global? Palakpakan na natin ng todo ngayon yung people. Okay, now, ang tanong po sa akin na iba to, teka lang, sabi mo we have 22,000 phytonutrients in 1 capsule. Paano nagkasya yun? 140 components, ang dami po. People, because of the technology. Ang una po doon ang tawag po is nanotechnology. Again, people, say it loud. Nanotechnology, minute, smaller than a virus. Microscopic po ito. Inumin niyo po. People, pagkainom po, pagpunta mo na sikmura, ina-absorb ka agad ng circulation yan. Guys, ang bilis po. In 20 minutes time, they will enter our cells and they will be the one to prevent the free radicals from harming your DNA. Again, people, in 20 minutes time, napakinabangan na po natin ng produkto. Pangalawa, synergism. Ano pang ibig sabihin po? Once we combine the components of the product, they will try to improve the function of each of the components of the product C24/7. At pangatlo po, ginawa pang alkaline. Sabi naman doon, why do we need to make our product alkaline-based in the first place? Okay, people. Inumin natin yung capsule. Again, saan papasok? Stomach. May laman po yan, hydrochloric acid. Alkaline acid, inumin ko. Game. Pagpasok po ng produktong alkaline, ang ginagawa po nila, simple po. They will neutralize the acid. Simple natin. Haharangan po nila yung acid para hindi po masira kagad yung components po ng produkto natin. So the components are almost intact from the stomach. They will go inside your intestines. They will be absorbed by your circulation. And again, in 20 minutes time, because of nanotech, napakinabangan na po natin ang produkto nating C24/7. So tanong ko, nanotech, Scientech, and Phytalcatech, magandang ang produkto C24/7 na yung global? Palapakan natin ng malakas nito. Ako po. Yan. Okay. Now, Doc, sabi nga po, from inside to outside, 100% po tayo vegetable. Walang sinasayang, wala po tayong tinatawag na excipients. Sabi nga po, what you see is definitely what you get. Santo na po, maganda ho ba ang care product na ngayong global? Palakpakan natin ang malakas pang C24/7. Ako po.